Smoke. I'm starting off having fun today, y'all. Infinite wins. Yes, sir. I'm a big old kid, man. I got a whole smoke machine studio lights in here. We like to enjoy ourselves. Hey, celebrate. V. What's up, brother? Let me take this time to get my screen set up so I can have everything set up properly. Alright. Yeah, man, we're gonna have to celebrate before every session, man, just to get that energy up. Just to get that energy up. Big V in the chat, talk to me, man. How you enjoy that win? Yeah. Yes, sir, it is.
Noise cancellation low. Noise cancellation high.
Yes, sir. It went in private, brother. We're gonna have the world saying it. Yes, sir. Just went in profit, dog. Yes, sir. Just have fun in here. All right, V. Let's see what we're gonna look for today, man. Let's go ahead and jump into this live. Damn, that was fun. I enjoyed myself. Let me check out this news real quick. I didn't set up nothing. I just cleaned the computer. Hopped on with some good energy. EA and profit. Let's see what was going on with EA first. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this was our entry. Let me see what that stop loss was. Yep. Ooh, made a double top. I'm sorry. Inverse head and shoulders. Not an inverse, but a head and shoulders pattern on the 15-minute. Let me check this 4-hour. Okay, so our stop loss was up here. And we are looking at these targets. Giving us a 1 to 10 setup. We already got those TPs in. Now again on the 15-minute, we got a head and shoulders pattern here. Let's check out these EMAs. So on the 15-minute price is pulling right next to this structural level of support that falls right above this double bottom. Uh-oh. And the 50 and the 200 EMA. I didn't even know you put that up. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I had a limit order. My limit order activated. Yeah, so, yeah, I had that set. Give me a second. Let me. Yeah, getting there a little faster. Yeah, so we both ran into this EA. So from here, let's check that news. That's what I was doing. All right, so we got Chief, we got Euro, and that's about it. So we're already on Euro Pound. We're in this Euro Pound trade on the 4 hours. Been really in the favor of the bulls. This uptrend has been steady and has not broken as of yet. We were looking for a reversal at this point. Our trade got activated with this wick here, and it didn't quite hit our TP, but we did get about 20 pips before price pulled back into our entry zone. Right now, it is retesting the highs, but it's failed to create a higher high here. So we'll need to see this high broken before we can say this uptrend is valid. But right now, as far as the EMAs on the higher time frame, everything still looks bullish. So we got a lot of liquidity above this area as well, with all of these rejections. We definitely need to wait for a break above. That would definitely be the safest route on the 5 minute. Look, we got multiple double tops all retesting each other. Man. And prices creating lower lows, so let's see how this works out. Got one right here, all retesting the right shoulder. Then we have this little one over here that's been formed as well. And we just got a signal. Let's see. Let's wait to see if anything significant happens on the 15 minute, but as far as a smaller time frame, looks like you definitely could get a pullback. And then we also have bearish divergence. If we look right here on the 15 minute, price moving down on the RSI, price moving up here. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah. So this double top was just played as well. Boom. That held. Price just pulled up to retest the right shoulder of this one with this wick here. So let's see. So far it looks like a reversal is possible. But what we'll do is we will wait. I think we can set a sell stop. Yeah. Yeah, let's set a sell stop. We got 9 minutes and 12 seconds left in this candle close. Let's see if price closes with a gap. And what we'll do is take this trade, add to this position with a retest of this gap. We'll put the stop loss above the high, because that's 1 to 10 trade. So No need to be greedy with this stop loss in order to add to this trade. And even if it hits TP1, that is a beautiful setup. So we'll take, let's see, if it hits TP1, it's a good chance that it could break beneath. So at the very least, the target should be right here. We can leave a runner. This is a weekly zone. All right, so this will be TP3. My screen is blurry. Was that hit? It was. It'll be TP1. I can't remove this other TP1 because it's a swing trade setup. All right, so just remember, one is for this trade and one is for the other. Let's wait to see what happens. We got 6 minutes left. Let's go check out Euro JPY. Okay, so I was looking for a reversal at Euro JPY. Yeah, so we had this double top on the 4 hour. It was retested by this wick, but oftentimes price will pull back and retest it with a bullish impulsive move before falling again. So that's what happened here. But on the 2 hour, let's see, we got a double top right there. On the 1 hour, right at this structural level, this micro structural level, price broke structure for that uptrend. So price manages to pull back to retest that level and hold. You could see a continuation in this downtrend. All right, so we're gonna look at that level of structure right there. Wow, it's really, let's see. Was that played? No. Let's just test this area for right now. Let's see. If we do get a, now we should make that TP2 and retest to 50. So let's put TP3 down here. TP2 right here at this area. I'll bring it up just a tad. And this will be TP1. All right, so these are the different areas where we want to take profit on this trade. Oh, let me go back and set those alerts. How much time we got? 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and set an alert. Got price fighting to break above to capture liquidity right there. So we got a couple different things telling us that this trade could play out and that this just could be another another bear flag. All right, so what I am going to do is go ahead and place this trade. All right, while we get active. This is Euro JPY. All right, I'm putting this trade in right now. Take your time and get yours in too. Oh man. Here we go. All right, cool. I got my 3 entries in. Big V, let me come in and check on you. You got them all? Got all your trade setups in there? Okay, so that was the last one. All right, cool. So let's set some alerts. Let's go back and check on let's go ahead and check on what was it? Euro pound? Yes, sir. Okay, so it didn't quite give us what we was looking for, but still showing potential that it could break beneath our EMAs. So right now we'll have to come back and check on it in another 15 minutes. Let's see if it breaks beneath this low. All right, I actually got all of these trades in, but not all my target areas. Let me pull up gold after I get all of these targets in. price. Give me a second while I put these targets in. I'll give you a little moment. All right, V, I got a lot of jobs. 4.041. All right, cool. Freestyle breakover. I got those trades in. Let's go check out gold. Okay, so gold broke above the highs last week. Actually got in this gold sale right here. From this retest, it hit TP1 and then broke the highs again. But on the higher time frames, we had the same thing going on. Bearish divergence, but we were probably just missing this, the retest of that 1618. It also created a double top on the 2 hour and is retesting it right now. So if any, now would have probably been the time to get into this gold sale. Have to see if we can find a way in it right now. Okay, this next level of structure in gold that I was looking at right here, that still gives you a good setup. That's a massive reversal pattern on the 2 hour time frame. So let's see. And we got a double bottom right here. Let's get some targets. Well, let's rearrange the targets. We gotta play this area. It already retested on the 2 hour, so let's put it slightly underneath. TP2, let's see if these lows are broken. Boom. Let's go down to a smaller time frame. Let's see what we got. Looks like, hey, what were you in? Were you in a gold buy? The buy on gold, yeah. Let's see if it hold right here. So, again, what happens? We got all of these rejections right here. All that divergence. We got price forming liquidity above this area. And last week ended in the uptrend. I'm sorry, in the downtrend, even though it was a temporary reversal. this will be a good telltale sign to let you know if this reversal is true or if it's just going to break above to create higher highs like it's been doing. Yeah. With these rejections right here, we got money beneath this. So let's see, that makes TP1 more interesting. Let's see, gold create higher highs after hours. Let's see, let's test it out. Let me go ahead and put this cell in. I'll be right back. Let me turn the instrumental back on. 15-minute. What is that, the 5-minute? Oh, that's right at the highs on the 15-minute. Yep, so I'll be right back. Give me a couple seconds. Let me put this gold sell limit on just to test this thing out. We're going to move that entry up a little higher. Right here. Give ourselves more room in that stop loss. That's a 1-to-19 trade. Even if we give up the 1% or the 3% on that, it is well worth it. So let me go ahead and get that. And I'll be back. Uh-oh. Switched up on y'all at the last second. Here we go. Release the smoke. Let's go. Let me get these targets. All right. So we got this trade set up in. Let's go ahead and keep it pushing. V, you got all the targets on gold. Oh, damn, it's about to activate. All right. Trade activated. Tyler, what up, man? We just got activated on Go. We want to check this thing out to see if this downtrend from last week will remain valid. We just entered in this setup. Alright, you got all of the targets. We got a 1 to 19 setup if this thing pulls off. The thing that made this thing interesting was we have not only those smaller time frames, signs of a reversal on gold, like on a 2 hour, we got a double top right here. That double top is being retested right now, and if price does not make a higher high, then we will see a drop on this thing. But on the 4 hour, we got divergence. Gold making this steady uptrend. Price falling on the IRSI, showing you signs of a bearish reversal coming soon. We got those smaller time frame confirmations. So let's see what happens with this trade. Okay, so it was just activated. Let's see. All right, so we're looking at a sell on Euro, JPY, and gold. Euro CAD. What do we have with Euro CAD? It's been in this uptrend. We're looking at this area for a sell, but price continued to move up. This was our original entry on this sell here. We added to the position here, and all of the targets was hit, but I expected more of a pullback from this level. But man, that uptrend was strong. So this is an example of really what I was just trying to show you guys. When price gives you a lot of rejections like it did right here in this area, you'll see a violent break beneath that area. Okay? A retest of support and then a really strong uptrend. That's why we like to look for areas that are underneath liquidity. And when we find those areas, we get really nice movement in the opposite direction. Look at that. And as soon as it hit my TP3, it took off to retest the highs. That's crazy. Yes, sir. Liquidity. Yeah, man, it's hard to get some people to get it. They be like, man, there's no way you can predict what's going to happen. Like, man, you are underestimating really the tools that they leave behind. If it's man-made, it's man-manipulated. And if you can figure out what a manipulation is, you can give yourself a good chance of having higher probability setups. Yes, sir. So let's see. That's our trend line for right now. Euro CAD just broke back inside this area of range with vengeance. You 5 months in. If you locate supply and demand, you are locating liquidity. Because if you look at it from that perspective, supply and demand is just support and resistance, right? So you find the area where you got support in the market, even on the smaller time frame like this, you know right underneath support, you got liquidity. Right above demand or resistance, you got liquidity. Yeah, it's really, really simple. Once you get to understand how to see the candlesticks and get over that intimidation factor, you can see the candlesticks like this, seeing through the matrix on their ass, then you are the one. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, definitely. So gold activated and went really close to our stop loss, but turned around and is now back inside that 15-minute zone. Let's see if that thing hold. If so, that's a sniper fucking entry. Man, that's a sniper fucking entry. So let's see. It missed that thing by like 2 pips. Oh yeah, it's like learning a new language for real. But shit, we learned this one. This ain't our native language, and this is why a lot of people struggle in school. I ain't taking it back. Yeah, so if we can learn this, we can damn sure break down these markets over time. Yes, sir. So we got liquidity above this level. I believe I had a box showing range. I don't know how I deleted that. Let me put it back. All right, so it broke back inside this level. This is kind of pivotal because this was a key level in the market, right? We had price struggling to stay above it here and struggling to break above it right here. So this would have been a key area of resistance, and it just broke above it, and it looks like it may reject above it. So if all of this plays out, then we may be looking at a continuation in this uptrend. Yeah, let's just say that was your trend line. It was broken and retested. But let's see. Let's see if we got anything on a smaller time frame to help us out. Man, okay, gold dropping profit on its gold. Yeah, so normally we do the charting session. I didn't know we was gonna catch some live trades. Hopefully everything play out, but if not, we definitely would stick to our rules. So we either get wins or we get lessons. So it's all a big dub, okay? Win. Yeah. All right, so we just running profit on gold. Let's get a close underneath, and we'll say it. Maybe we got plenty of money. All right. Everything underneath liquidity on Euro CAD looks like it's been played besides this structural level right here where price created these highs. Before this break above right here. But with this wick, I'm pretty sure that was from the news. There's no way we could even look at that without accounting for that entire move. Now, I don't know what that would look like as far as a risk-reward ratio. It may not be worth it unless we spot a smaller time frame reversal. Yeah, because that doesn't give us 1 to 3. Let's see, what if we put it closer? That's 1 to 3, 7. That's a little better. Yeah, so we got the 200 EMA. Yeah, that's a goofy wick. But if you look at it, price is moving in the upward channel, okay? So really don't let all of that foolishness from, where's the wick? Don't let that foolishness throw you off. It's moving in the upward channel, and the EMAs are showing you pretty much because they're acting as a moving line of support in the market. But you can start drawing it like that so you can see it better. But it's definitely moving in the upper channel. So pretty much this would be looking for about a 50% or more retracement of this upward channel in catching this continuation to the upside. Let's see. All right, cool. So that's a 618 right there. Let's go ahead and rearrange these targets. Oh, boom. I don't know where TP2 is. Which indicator are you talking about, the EMA or the RSI? All of them? Well, really, this RSI just lets you know if price is overbought or oversold. And these EMAs, they're just the average price. Liquid arrow is a TPA. It is. Yeah, it just gives you the average movement in price. So out of all of these candles, it's showing you, out of 200 candles, it's showing you what an average is. And once price gets to that average, whether it's above it or below it, it'll use it as a resistance line or a support line. Oh yeah, TraderView dope. Yeah, they made TradingView is dope. All right, so let's see if this upward channel hold right here. That's what we're looking for. Say that was a 15-minute. And it is showing bearish signs right in here. We got another double top. Oh, you said it's an arrow inside the range box. Okay. I appreciate you saying that, V, because I was just about to keep moving. Like, I did not add TP2 yet. So now, let's see. Let's go on the smaller time frame. It's going to be, like you said, right at those highs at the top of this range. You're right. Let's see where TP1 was. Right underneath this high here. TP1, TP2, TP3. Good eye, V. Good eye, V. The student has become the master. All right, let me move these alerts. I'm going to go ahead and put this trade in too. All right, Tyler. We're about to go ahead and put this trade in and let these beats run, man. We appreciate you for stopping in, man. Yeah, we could be superstars. I like that one, man. Gold just winning profit, man. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Hey. Smoke. Bring out the smoke. Hey. All right. So we got all the trades in on EuroCAD. Let me know if you got all the TPs. Let me come back and check on your V. You got all of the TPs in there? Let's see. We're waiting on V. Got it. Okay. All right, so Euro Pound activated, right? Uh-oh, hold on a second. Oh, we were waiting on some on Euro Pound. We didn't set Euro Pound yet. Okay, well that's what it is. Let's wait on the signal. Right now we got lower lows. I'm sorry. We got lower highs being created on Euro Pound. Let's see what happens once price fights a little more in this area. Right now, price just broke below the 5 minute. I'm sorry, the 200 on the 5 minute. And it definitely just created a zone that we could take a sale. What should we do? We got a lot of divergence, really, a lot of divergence. This thing falls definitely into our criteria of the sale. Only thing is, it's right here, pretty much at the bottom of this moving support line, so it could move a little higher before actually reversing. It could actually retest the highs right here, and our stop loss does cover that much. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and get this set up in place, and hopefully by the time we get it set up it would have retested the highs already to give us a better risk reward ratio. Let's see. Pound JPY. I'm sorry. Euro pound has been really, really spotty. Really, really spotty. It's just been hitting support and resistance within this area of consolidation for a while. Let's see how this thing plays out. Alright. So this will be it for the night, you guys. Let me get these targets in. 85369. Nice. Eight, 4, 8, 3. Oh, my bad. That's what the music was supposed to be for. My bad, y'all. Got caught in that trade. Hey. Alright, that's it with those, man. Just let them run. Looks like gold just made a higher high. Look at this. Yeah, we could be looking at another trick. So let's go back. And let's observe this 15-minute right here on this 618 with price broke structure. We got this area that just so happened to fall right on this 618. And you got a double bottom right here as well. So this entire area between the 50 and the 618 can be hit. We got liquidity right here, even with that break above. It's still real suspect. So let's see what happens. If price respect this level right here when it bounced back, then you could see a little more movement in this uptrend. But if it don't, then that downtrend is still valid. We really need to wait on the close to let you know, because we've been getting a lot of false breakouts. We're getting a lot of false breakouts this week. Oh, EA flirting with TP1. Yeah, that's cool. Go ahead and hit it. Go ahead and hit it. Yeah, you even got bearish divergence on the daily with gold. So let's see. On the 4 hour, from this point, yeah, it's happening. Yeah, let's wait to see how much of that was real. Capture the liquidity above right here. Man, I did not expect S&P 500 to pull back that hard. let's see what can happen here. Price is pretty much respecting all of these structural levels and giving some immediate pullbacks, retesting those areas. We just took a sell from here to this 50, getting the 1 to 7 on that trade setup. Let's see if price will retest these highs. That's on the 2 hour. Yes. So what we're doing, finding liquidity, and looking to see what areas beneath it need to be retested, or just making sure that we highlight it so we can see where it is on the chart, and we get down to the smaller time frames and retest the area beneath it. In this case, it'll be this area, right underneath the 618. Not too many pips. Let me move this up. Let's see what happens. All right, we'll set some alerts. We'll figure out what's going to happen on gold. All right, and I'll catch you during London. That's what we'll do. Hold on a second. We'll get active during that London session and see what is really going on with gold. Let's see, you got the rest of the trades. You got everything else, V? All right, all right. So let's go ahead. We'll shut it down for the night. We got gold ready to pull back on us and do exactly what we said, so we can go ahead and take advantage of that trade setup. Man. Hey. I appreciate y'all for jumping on with us again. Make sure you get your demo account set up, your live account set up, so y'all can take advantage of this money with us. Yeah. If you do not know how to set your account up, all right, head to our site, ProfitTakersEU.com. Get free access to our free course. That free 9-day course helps you place, monitor, and set up your accounts and use the tools that we have in place. We also have our Mindset series, our structure breaking trial that goes along with our 6-week series and our 6-week journal. All right. For the do-it-yourselfers, we got 6 steps to trading with consistent results. All of the concepts that I cover are in this ebook available on Amazon that you'll find on our website as well. And we have our log books. All right. Don't forget to support the merch. We got some dope designs out here, man. Y'all get with the team, support the movement. And I want y'all to remember you one trade away from living. All right, why fight to stay the same?
Female.
Okay, let the streets know. Okay, let the streets know.